Good afternoon, I am Celia, the creator of CanSpeakFrench, and today I've decided to do a little vlog because I received a message from a mom who would like to introduce another language, to give the gift of another language to her baby child. So my two tips for today is get your hands on French nursery rhymes. They are very easily bought on Amazon, a CD, and play the song on any journeys. This is a rule to have. You must be organized. You must decide, when am I going to introduce the French language. When I've introduced German to my son, and I don't speak a word of German, he's bilingual French, so German is the third language, I always have a CD of German nursery rhymes in the car. Whenever we drive to the school, that's what we play. I play it when we go there, so in the afternoon you can listen to the radio, just to make it very nice and not too much like it's work. You know, it has to be pleasurable. So the nursery rhyme to be played in the car as a routine is something that you know, it's nice, and it's another way to bond with your child as well. So that's the CD. I said two things, actually it's three. My other favorite, it's a DVD. A DVD of nursery rhymes as well, and again, the best thing to learn because you can sing along and very easily, you can memorize them quite easily. DVDs, everybody likes to watch a little film, and so these ones have got this different nursery rhymes with videos, and it's mine, so you know, you can kind of work out what they're saying. There's my favorite video here, Le Petit Escargot, the little snail. Everybody likes that song, so I'm now using this one in my French club, so it was quite successful with my son. And the third thing to buy, I think, if you would like to introduce the language to your child, is flashcards. Yes, you can play games, and again, you have to bear in mind that at this stage, it's not really teaching them a language, it's more an introduction. What you have to make sure is you are initiating the love for a foreign language. That's the first step, to initiate that love, that interest. You can only do that if it's in a playful environment, and with the flashcards you can play games, so you can just to learn the colors and say, okay, could you give me rouge? If it's a baby or toddler, it's always good to show. You show the red color and say, oh, rouge, rouge. And it's with repetition. And they grow up memorizing that. And they do the same with learning the English language, so why not with another language? Or for example, oh, une voiture. And you show what you're talking about. That's one other thing. And with the flashcards as well, is just learning, not just, it's important, it's learning vocabulary and the numbers. Oh, how many am I going to give you today? 1, 2, 3 et 4. Oh, 4 cartes. And there you go. You have to give yourself a routine. Again, routine is very important, so they don't get overloaded. You choose the moment when you want to do the French, in the car, or playtime in the afternoon. Oh, that's time for a game of cards. En français, s'il vous plaît. And that's my advice. But always make it that it doesn't look like they're learning. is just there in the background. Play the CD in the background. I did that with my son, with that lovely German song CD that we received when we stayed in Austria. And I play it in the background. Next thing you know, he knows them by heart. We haven't got a clue what we're singing. It's nursery rhyme. I had them translated once, but this is it. It has to be not understood that it's work or, oh, we are learning something, oh, it's homework. No, it's passive learning. Yes, passive learning. They're memorizing things without even noticing. So that's it for today, and I hope it has been helpful and useful. We'll do another one next month. Merci beaucoup. Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Goodbye.